Hello everyone. So today let us solve the model question paper for DBMS. So first of all, what is DBMS? Database Management System. DBMS is a subject that deals with the management of the database. A database is an organized collection of data so that it can be easily accessed and managed. So database, you first need to know what a database is. Database is basically a collection of data. It is a collection of data in an organized manner. We can organize this data in terms of rows, columns, and tables, and that can be accessed by multiple users. That is a DBMS. In a model question paper, our first question is the types of users. So, what are the types of users we have? We have six types of users. We have six types of users. First, casual end users. What are the types of end users? First is the casual end user. Casual end user is the one who accesses the database occasionally. So they will access the database as and when required but occasionally. Next we have parametric end users. Parametric end users are the one who will have limited understanding but they are frequent users. Next we have sophisticated end users. These are the ones who have a very good understanding of the database and its capabilities. Then we have standalone users. These users maintain personal databases like Microsoft Access and SQLite. They create and manage the database independently, hence, they are called standalone. Next is system analysts and application programmers. System analysts and application programmers. These are the ones who will design, implement, and maintain the entire database application. They write the entire application programs. That is system analysts and application programs. Next, we have the database administrators. Database administrators are the ones who are responsible for the overall management of the database. So here you can remember this, say in a shortcut technique, CPSSSD. Casual end users, parametric end users, sophisticated end users, standalone end users, system analysts and application programmers, and database administrators. The next question is the advantages of a DBMS. We have multiple advantages of a database management system. So let us go one by one. I'm explaining such that you can write the answers using the similar words. Now, what are the advantages of DBMS? DBMS has multiple advantages. First, let's start saying it is data redundancy and inconsistency control. So, data redundancy means that the any redundant or irrelevant invalid data can be handled and controlled. So you don't maintain the entire data. DBMS will reduce data redundancy into a single database. Next, data sharing. Data can be shared across multiple users and many people can access. Improved data security. We can maintain our data in a more secure way and also manage the control, and we can manage the access controls to the databases. Data integrity. Data integrity is nothing but we can maintain primary keys, foreign keys, and other unique references can be used to maintain the consistency of the data. DBMS also allows us to do backup and recovery. So DBMS will include tools that can help us for the data backup whenever there is some failure or any gaps in data, and you can also recover the data back. Data independence. You can change the data and the logical schema. Logical schemas can be changed without affecting the application. That is, data is independent. Data can be accessed and managed independently. That is the data independence. Efficient data access. DBMS uses some sophisticated algorithms to optimize the queries and the performance. So basically, there is efficient data access. You can access huge amount of data in the more efficient manner. Concurrent access. It ensures, when you say concurrent access, it ensures that multiple users can access the same database at the same time. Enhanced data in integration. Enhanced data integration is a capability where database can be integrated to multiple other platforms and also to other databases. Application development efficiency. We see that the development is going to be very efficient, and SQL provides a standardizing the language and querying, managing it in a very easy and efficient manner. So DBMS has certain tools that can simplify the entire development process for us. Since we it is so efficient, it can help us to save the storage spaces. It eventually helps us to optimize the cost. So it is cost efficient as well. So we can optimize our time, cost, and space. Thereby, DBMS also helps us in better decision makings. We can organize our data in such a manner that we can utilize the same for making efficient and better decisions. So you can write a few out of these: data redundancy, data sharing, data security, data integrity, backup and recovery, data independence, efficient data access, concurrent access, enhanced data integration, efficiency, cost efficient, and decision making. Now, the next question is, what are the characteristics of a database? Let's list down a few characteristic features of a database. Structured data storage, which means that a database contains data in a structured form. It stores the data in, say, defined tables, rows, and columns, hence, in a very systematic and organized way. Next is data integrity. So, databases enforce certain rules and constraints that is going to ensure the data security, consistency, and the accuracy. Data management. Data can be handled and managed in several ways. For example, you can perform various data manipulation activities such as reading, writing, updating, creating, deleting. So, all this comes under the data management. So, basically, you can do multiple operations and manipulation on the data. Concurrency control means that multiple users can access the database at a given point of time or at a given instant. Transaction management means that databases support multiple transactions or a sequence of operations basically that takes place until an entire event is successful or the event does not occur at all. Scalability and performance. Databases are designed in such a way that they can handle large volume of data, and the efficiency rate is pretty high by using indexing and optimization. So therefore the scalability and performance is much better and can be handled in a better way. Data security. We can secure and encrypt the data in the databases so that we avoid unauthorized access. Backup and recovery. Database provides us the capability of backing up the data and also provides us the option for any data recovery that is lost. Data retrieval and querying. The data that is stored in the database can be retrieved by various methods and applying SQL queries. So, hence, we can retrieve the data for any useful operations.